Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics ready, a logged-in Khalti app and the phone or transaction details you'll need. First, open the Khalti app. Once done, tap the wallet or history icon at the bottom. Make sure your connection is stable so the app loads recent entries. You'll see a chronological list of transactions. Look for the date or amount that matches your payment. If there are many entries, use the search or filter by date to narrow results quickly. Once you've found the transaction entry, tap it to open full details. You'll see the status label, success, pending, or failed, plus the amount, timestamp, and any merchant reference. Check the Khalti TXN ID and, if present, the bank or biller reference. These are what you'll use to reconcile or escalate. If the status says pending, make sure you wait a few minutes and then pull to refresh. If receipts are attached, preview them to confirm the exact charges and recipient. You can finalize by downloading or screenshotting the receipt and saving the Khalti TXN ID for your records. This proves payment. If the transaction status or amount is incorrect, contact Khalti support directly and include the TXN ID, timestamp, and screenshots. That accelerates resolution. Make sure to allow 24 to 48 hours for interbank clearing on payments before escalating to your bank. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.